Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. So in the last class we have seen about the amphoteric oxides like Al2O3, aluminium oxide and zinc oxide. Such examples I have told you. And we have studied one thing clearly beta. Metals on burning in air combines with oxygen and forms metal oxides, or we can say basic oxides. When non-metals on burning in air combines with oxygen and they forms non-metallic oxides, and we can say what beta, acidic oxides. So metals forms basic oxides and non-metals forms acidic oxides. And metallic oxides are basic in nature, non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature, like the things we have studied in the previous class. Good. So now in this class I am going to discuss the topic is reactions of metal oxides with water. How does metal oxides shows reaction with water? That thing we are going to be discussing now beta. Okay. So what I am saying here, metal oxides. Let me consider first of all, you suppose MO, nothing but metal oxide. So I want to say that most of the metal oxides they do not soluble in water, or simply we have to be say that insoluble in water. Water में soluble नहीं हो सकते. So here I want to say that most of the metal oxides are insoluble in water because of metal oxides they are having strong lattice energy, nothing but strong intermolecular metallic forces. Such metallic forces cannot be broken easily after addition in water. That's why, so due to their strong metallic forces and lattice energy formation, most of the metal oxides they are not going to be soluble in water. That's why I have said here insoluble in water. But few of the metal oxides are there, they can soluble in water. So what are the examples? Which metal oxides going to be soluble in water? In that, number one is accept. So what I have told you, most of the metal oxides due to their strong lattice energy they are insoluble in water. But some of the metal oxides they can be soluble and they are going to be form alkalis, nothing but base nana. So what are the exception cases? Except one is sodium metal oxide. What is the formula of sodium metal oxide? Na2O. Sodium metal oxide Na2O, it goes to be soluble in water. Nothing but we have to be say that H2O. When sodium oxide goes to be soluble in water, it going to be form an alkali. The alkali is nothing but which metal alkali? Sodium metal alkali or sodium base. So we have to be say that NaOH, sodium hydroxide. This is the alkali you are going to be get beta. Okay. Na2O, the meaning is nothing but sodium oxide. Sodium oxide, nothing but one type of solid material. It goes to be soluble in water, liquid. So solute plus solvent gives rise to solution. The solution is sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium hydroxide solution is in aqueous condition, AQ. So once again beta, sodium oxide, it is very special. So due to its more reactivity, it can easily soluble in water and it going to be formed the alkali or base. The base is nothing but what beta? Sodium hydroxide alkali, here you are getting beta. Similarly, you can consider one more most metallic oxide, that is nothing but potassium. What is the formula of potassium oxide? K2O. K2O is known as what beta? Potassium oxide. It goes to be soluble in water. The formula is nothing but H2O, which is in liquid form. And potassium oxide is what beta? Solid. It goes to be soluble in water. And the appeared product is nothing but alkali or base. The metal base, which metal base beta? Potassium metal base, that is nothing but KOH. potassium hydroxide. This metal hydroxide you are going to be getting. So the name of this metal hydroxide is potassium hydroxide. It is a base, or we can say alkali, which is in aqueous condition. Most of the, once again, final conclusion I am going to give you. How does metal oxides shows reaction with water? So due to their strong metallic lattice energy forces, most of the metal oxides, they are insoluble in water, except like sodium oxide and potassium oxide, and little bit we can consider magnesium oxide also. So sodium oxide soluble in water and gives sodium hydroxide. Potassium oxide when soluble in water, it goes to be formed potassium hydroxide. Similarly, when magnesium oxide soluble in water, that goes to be formed magnesium hydroxide. In all cases we are getting hydroxides, nothing but they are going to form alkalis, and we have to say that bases. So this is your conclusion point. Okay, beta. Now next, another topic I want to start. The topic is nothing but one activity question I want to discuss with you now. Okay. Activity question. From this activity you are going to be learn so many new things Rana. बहुत सारे new things यहाँ पर सीख सकते हैं तुम लोग. Okay, I am going to discuss with you. So the question is, consider the metals of sodium, next magnesium, next I am going to be consider aluminium, next I am going to be consider zinc metal, and I am going to be consider iron and lead. What is the symbol of lead? Pb, plumb. And also we can consider what, beta? Copper. So these are the list of metals here I have taken, and I am saying that try to burn on heating. Okay ना, burn on flame. Flame के ऊपर heat कीजिए. This is the question mark. So these are the metals we have to be considered first of all, and try to burn on heating, or we can say on flame. Try to burn on flame. So what are the changes you are going to be observe? In this activity, again I want to ask you some other short hints Nana. Okay, क्या करना बेटा? First of all here I am going to be consider a burner frame. So on burner flame, we are going to heat this all metals. We are going to burn this all metals. Because of yesterday's topic is what, Betna? When metals are burned in air. Okay na? Yes. So here I have taken list of so many metals I have taken. So all they undergo burning or heating in presence of in the flame of what, beta? Burner. So अपना flame में क्या करेंगे? Burner flame में heat करेंगे. So what are the changes you are going to be observed? So from this activity, question number 1 I am going to ask you. In the list of given metals, when they are burned in air in the flame of burner, which metal burns easily and which metal shows more reactivity? This is your question number 1. So in that all metals, try to observe once, Nana. Sodium, it is belongs to 1A group. S black metal, it is highly reactive in nature. According to reactivity series, top में क्या रहते हैं? 1A group metals रहते हैं ना, like sodium and potassium will be there. So they shows more reactivity towards oxygen. Okay, now whatever that may be the condition. Okay, right. So I want to say that which metal burns easily, beta? I am not writing here again question. Just I want to ask you. I have given in fair notebook. Okay, which metal burns easily or which metal shows more reactivity in the listed metals? So answer is sodium. So I am writing directly answer here. Sodium metal burns easily due to its what, beta? More reactivity. Due to its more reactivity. Yes, beta. Next, second question I am going to ask you, sir, all the listed metals, all the given listed metals, on burning in the flame of burner, on heating in the flame of burner, they burns with which color? Which color you are going to be observed? So on burning of these metals in the flame of burner, you are going to observe the color. All they are going to be burned with the flame. The flame is nothing but mostly blue flame. Which flame, beta? Blue flame. So I want to say that metals burns with what, beta? Blue flame. Metals burns with blue flame. Metals burns with blue flame. Very important topic. Okay, beta. Next, metals burnt with which flame, beta? Blue flame. Okay, good. Next activity I am going to ask you, beta. After burning of these all metals, after heating of these all metals in the flame of burner, after burning, what about the surface of these all metals? How they are appearing? हीटिंग करने के बाद, बर्निंग करने के बाद उनका सरफेस देखने के लिए कैसे लग रहा? हाउ द सरफेस अपीयरिंग आफ्टर बर्निंग ऑफ दिस मेटल्स? ओके, आफ्टर बर्निंग, okay, in the heating, okay, after heating in the flame of burner, all the metals, they goes to be appear in the form of silver white nature, nothing but shiny nature, lustrous nature, because of, you know very well, all they are in metallic in nature, mostly metals they are having shiny nature. Again after heating also, their surface will be appear in the silver white nature, nothing but shiny nature. So the question is, how does the surface of metal appears after burning? So answer is, after burning, metals appear, or we can say surface of metal appear as silver white, and also we can say that with shiny nature. Next point. Next question, beta. And one more thing they are going to ask you. So all the listed metals, they are going to be heat in the flame of burner in presence of air. So sodium on heating in air gives sodium oxide. Magnesium on heating in the flame of burner, magnesium oxide. Aluminum into aluminum oxide. Zinc into zinc oxide. Iron into iron oxide. Lead into lead oxide. Copper into copper oxide. Like that, all respective products we are getting. Yes or no, beta? Okay. So all these oxide products, whether they are soluble in water or not. So their respective oxide products, whether they can soluble in water or not, this is your next question now. So already I have told you here about solubility in water. Only sodium oxide and potassium oxide, and as much as possible magnesium oxide. These two metal oxides, they are going to be soluble in water, and remaining metal oxides, they won't soluble in water due to their strong lattice forces and metallic forces. I hope you understand. So they are going to ask you the question, are the products of these elements are soluble in water or not? So we have to be say that oxides of sodium and magnesium like Na2O and MgO, they can soluble in water and forms respective alkalis, and remaining metal oxides, they won't soluble in water. So I am going to write the answer directly. Only sodium oxide, Na2O, and little bit क्या consider कर सकते हैं? Mostly sodium oxide only beta, but little bit you can consider magnesium oxide. So only sodium oxide and also magnesium oxides, they can soluble in water. They can soluble in water, and they are going to form what, beta? Respective alkalis. And other metal oxides, they won't soluble in water. They won't dissolve in water. Good. And last and final question I want to ask you. Okay, all the listed given metals on heating in the flame of burner, they undergo, okay, now they show some activity towards oxygen beta. So listen carefully. On burning in air, I am saying clearly, on burning in air in the flame of burner, we are heating all the listed metals. So all they undergo reaction beta. But listen carefully. In the listed given metals, which metals shows more reactivity towards oxygen? I have told you that is nothing but sodium. Again after that what? Magnesium. So they are going to ask you, give the reactivity order of these metals. Give the reactivity order of these metals towards oxygen. With respect to reactivity towards oxygen, give their increasing order reactivity. So which metal easily goes to be, okay, now shows a reaction with oxygen? That is nothing but water, na? Sodium. So most reactive metal, here I am saying reactivity order of metals. So tell me beta, which metal is more reactive towards oxygen? That is nothing but sodium. Yes, I am going to be right here. After that I am going to be consider what, Nana? Magnesium, because of both are S block elements. S block elements के, okay ना, S block metals are more reactive. पहले अपन वो cover करना बेटा. इस महीने यहाँ पर cover भी कर लिए. Next go to slowly enter into the P block. P block में क्या है बेटा? Aluminium is there in third A group. So I have written aluminium. And after that, according to reactivity series, S, in that we have to be considered, that is nothing but zinc, and next one is nothing but iron, and next one is nothing but lead, and next one is nothing but copper, and next one is silver, and last one is gold. Gold and silver along with copper, they won't show reaction with oxygen. Even at higher temperatures also, especially gold and copper. They are completely least reactive in the reactivity series. And which are more reactive in reactivity series? Okay, 1A group metal like sodium and potassium. But potassium is not given in the list, so simply I want to write that sodium. Okay, beta? So in the listed metals, which metal is more reactive towards oxygen? Sodium. It is the more reactive metal towards the oxygen. And which is the least reactive metal? That is nothing but what, beta? Here, copper. Yes, copper is a least reactive metal towards the oxygen. After that, gold and silver completely inactive. That's why I have told you in the last class, silver and gold are very less reactive and very lustrous. That's why they are useful in making what, Nana? Jewelry ornament. I have told you. Okay, so this is the reactivity order of given respective metals towards the oxygen according to reactivity series. So according to the concept of reactivity series, from copper to sodium, in that way, from copper to sodium, here reactivity goes to be increases. On heating in air means they goes to be easily combines with what, beta? Oxygen. Most reactive is sodium, least reactive is what, Nana? Copper. So from copper to sodium, in that manner, as per reactivity series, the reactivity towards oxygen goes to be increase. This is very, very, very important point. All the important points, Nana. All are important points. Okay ना? I hope you, okay ना? आपको activity समझ में आया perfectly. समझे कि नहीं? Once again. Okay, here I have taken some list of metals. Simply upon, okay now I am going to do heating in the flame of burner. So in that, okay now from this activity I am going to ask you some question. Question number 1, which metal bonds easily or okay now most shows more reactivity? So answer is nothing but sodium according to reactivity series. Next, metal bonds with blue flame. Yes, all the metals on heating in the flame of burner, they goes to be bonds. Okay now which color did you observe? So the color is nothing but what, ना blue color observe कर सकते हैं. And beta, okay, burn होने के बाद after burning their surface will be appear in the color is nothing but what, ना is we have to be say that silver white. Next beta, yes, and all the metals on heating in air they will changes into respective oxide product, but which oxide products are soluble in water? Only sodium oxide and magnesium oxide, these are going to be soluble in water. And give their reactivity towards oxygen like that. In that manner we have to be right. Sodium is most reactive, after that magnesium, and which is least reactive? Copper is least reactive. Okay, now